Baltimore's climate brings a little bit of everything: hot, humid summers, cold winters, and fluctuating temperatures in spring and fall. For homeowners, these seasonal changes can make maintaining indoor comfort a challenge, especially if windows are outdated or inefficient. That's why many Baltimore homeowners are turning to energy-efficient pre-made windows as a smart, cost-effective solution. Designed for reliable performance and faster installation, pre-made windows offer modern efficiency without the complexity of fully custom options. Here's how energy-efficient pre-made windows are well-suited for Baltimore's climate and why they're a popular upgrade. Built-in insulation for year-round comfort. Pre-made windows today are far more advanced than older stock models. Many come equipped with double or triple pane glass, which creates insulating layers that slow heat transfer. For Baltimore homes, this means keeping warm air inside during cold winters, blocking excess heat during humid summers, reducing temperature fluctuations indoors, improving overall comfort in every season. This built-in insulation helps homes stay comfortable without overworking heating and cooling systems. Low-E glass to manage heat and sunlight. Low emissivity. Low-E glass is one of the most important energy-saving features for Baltimore's varied climate. This nearly invisible coating reflects heat while still allowing natural light to enter the home. Low-E glass helps reflect indoor heat back inside during winter, reduce solar heat gain in summer, limit glare from bright sunlight, protect furnishings from UV damage. With Low-E glass, homeowners enjoy bright interiors without sacrificing efficiency. Argon gas-filled glass for added efficiency. Many energy-efficient pre-made windows include argon gas between glass panes. Argon is denser than air, making it more effective at slowing heat movement. Benefits for Baltimore homeowners include improved insulation without thicker glass, reduced energy loss during extreme temperatures, enhanced overall window performance. This feature works especially well when combined with Low-E coatings. Durable frame materials designed for moisture and temperature changes. Baltimore's humidity and seasonal weather shifts require window frames that resist warping, rotting, and air leaks. Energy-efficient pre-made windows are available in materials well-suited for these conditions. Popular frame options include vinyl frames, known for excellent insulation, and low-maintenance composite frames, offering durability and stability. Fiberglass frames, resistant to expansion and contraction. These materials help maintain tight seals over time, ensuring consistent energy performance. Tight seals that prevent drafts and air leaks. Energy-efficient pre-made windows are engineered with precision to ensure tight fits and reliable sealing. High-quality weather stripping and interlocking components block drafts that can drive up energy costs. Homeowners benefit from reduced air infiltration, more consistent indoor temperatures, lower heating and cooling bills, improved indoor comfort. Draft-free windows make a noticeable difference during Baltimore's cold winters and hot summers. Faster installation with reliable performance. One of the biggest advantages of pre-made windows is efficient installation. Because they're manufactured in standard sizes, installation is typically quicker than fully custom windows, reducing labor time and disruption. Despite faster installation, modern pre-made windows meet strict energy efficiency standards, deliver dependable performance, offer consistent quality across units. This makes them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking efficiency without delays. Cost-effective energy savings over time. Pre-made windows often cost less than custom options while still providing strong energy efficiency. For Baltimore homeowners, this means lower upfront costs, reduced monthly energy bills, long-term savings over the window's lifespan, improved resale appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are especially attractive to future buyers. A smart window choice for Baltimore homes. Energy-efficient pre-made windows offer Baltimore homeowners a practical balance of affordability, performance, and comfort. With insulated glass, Low-E coatings, durable frames, and tight seals, these windows are well equipped to handle the city's changing climate. If you're looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and upgrade your home efficiently, energy-efficient pre-made windows are a smart solution designed to perform in Baltimore weather year-round.